That's amazing today to see all the Battelle volunteers working with generations of up-and-coming curious engineers and scientists to be, inspiring them, showing them the fun and the impact of science. And the work that we all do can have an impact on human health, the environment, and our own security in the nation and in the world.
When we invest in STEM education, we invest in so much more than just a cool, fun student project. We're really investing in our future. The foundation of STEM education is the foundation for success, for America's future, and for our community's success.
STEM education is such an important piece of what Battelle does because it really empowers the next generation of scientists.
It's true, we always need new people coming up with the new ideas and new inventions to make the world a better place every day. Getting the kids started early for something in the future where they can work towards that goal is an amazing thing, and Battelle does a really good job of capturing that, working on that.
STEM in general is just everywhere. Seeing the look in kids' faces when you light something on fire or crush a rose from the liquid nitrogen, you can see the creativity in their minds and them thinking, and they're so happy to be here.
Whenever I see this coming up on my calendar, I get excited seeing a lot of our youth being educated, and also their smiles, just learning something new, something different.